Hey you guys, I got something for you today. Today I am introducing Madam Glam gel polishes to you. Madam Glam is a vegan, beginner-friendly, 3-step system with one coat application that is easy to use at home. You ever get tired of going to the nail shop and getting your nails done, and sometimes you just want a color change and you don't want to change your color? Go and pay to get your color change? Well, Madam Glam is the place for you. Madam Glam offers a VIP exclusive membership where you will receive 50% off of any of your gel polishes each time you come by. Madam Glam sell different varieties of colors and they cater to all seasons. If you don't know what to choose from, Madam Glam also has ready-to-go bundles, as you can see here, that will help you put together a selection of colors to give a try. Here's the bundles that they have already put together for you. Now, when using Madam Glam, you will have a base coat, your regular color, and also a top coat. Here I have an example of some of the colors painted already for you on a nail so you can see how pigmented, buttery, beautiful the colors are. Now, if you're a cat eye gel polish type of girl, Madam Glam got you covered. Here I have Sapphire Love, and I will be painting it over a beautiful pink using my magnet to give the cat eye effect. And there we have it, that beautiful cat eye. Here I have for you holographic cat eye that I will be painting for you over buzz green, also using my magnet to give it that cat eye effect. I will now be using the no wipe top coat to give it its shine. If you feel you are interested in giving Madam Glam a try, go over to madamglam.com and don't forget to sign up to become a VIP member to receive 50% off each time you order. You may also check my description box to hit the link so you can head right on over. I will leave a coupon code for you to receive 35% off of your purchase. Only thing you have to enter is Tiana35 to receive your discount. Thank you for choosing Madam Glam, and you will not be disappointed.